Hello children, now we will see what is electric circuit. So electric circuit basically it is a closed and continuous path through which electric current flows, So we know that electric current it flows in a closed and continuous path. At our home it also comes with the help of wires, so that circuit is a closed circuit. Now these circuits they can be of two types. One type is the open circuit and the other type is the closed circuit. So they can be of two types, open circuit and the closed circuit. Open circuit means when the switch is closed, means no flow of electricity is there, then the circuit is open, and circuit is closed when switch is on and continuous flow of electricity is taking place. Now when we draw this electric circuit in our notebook, then we have to use certain symbols. So we are discussing about those symbols. So first symbol is an electric cell. So when we want to give a symbol to electric cell, then we will give it like this. Now this long line it represents the positive and the smaller line it represents the negative. Now battery is a basically combination of two or more than two cells. So in this I have connected three cells. So this is a battery, here again the plus and this is the minus. Now next is the plug key. Plug key means the switch. So switch, if it is open then like this, and if the switch is closed, plug key is closed, then we will give it like this. A wire, normally a straight line. Now if suppose a wire which is having a joint, then this symbol we will use. Now suppose if we have two wires and we want to show them and both these wires they are crossing each other, then like this we will give them symbol. Then a bulb, this is the symbol of a bulb. Then a resistor or a resistance, so this will be the symbol. Now the variable resistance. Variable resistance is what? First we try to understand that variable resistance, it is again a device which is used to change the resistance in a circuit without interrupting the current. Suppose if in a circuit we are doing some experiment and again we have to change the resistance of that circuit. So in that circuit we will use the variable resistance or rheostat. With the help of this what we can do, we can change the resistance without changing the current. So its symbol is, this is the symbol of variable resistance. And ammeter we have already discussed, this is ammeter and this is the voltmeter. So these are some symbols. While drawing the circuit diagrams we will use all these symbols. For example, suppose if we have to draw a circuit, so this is the wire in the circuit. Now in the circuit suppose this is the resistor. If we have to take two resistors, then these are the two resistors. One bulb is also there, then we will draw this bulb. Then an ammeter is also required because we want to take the we want to note down the amount of current. So this is ammeter. I already told you that it is connected in the series. Then here the device, that is battery, we are connecting. This is the switch. And if we want to find out the potential difference across this resistor, then voltmeter is also connected and this is connected in the parallel combination. So in this way, and suppose if we will switch on, plug key is on, then we will put a dot here, then the current start flowing, and we know that current it flows from positive to negative. So this direction of current we will show it. Now next is again very important point, that is Ohm's law. In the last video children, we have studied what is potential difference and what is electric current. So one scientist whose name is George Simon Ohm, he find out a relationship between potential difference and electric current. He found out a relationship between potential difference and electric current. So according to Ohm's law, at constant temperature, or rather we can say at constant physical conditions, these physical conditions can be temperature, pressure. So at constant physical conditions, the amount of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to potential difference across the two ends of a conductor. So now what Ohm's law says? Ohm's law says that the amount of electric current, it is directly proportional to the potential difference across the 2 points or 2 ends of a conductor. It means directly proportional means, suppose if I increase by 1 unit, V increase also by 1 unit. If I increase by 2 unit, V also increase by 2 units. Now by removing this, if we will remove, then we will apply a proportionality constant. So V is proportional to I. By removing it, we will put here a proportionality constant, that is R. So V is equal to IR. Here R is the resistance. R is the resistance, and R, if we will write the formula of R, it is V upon I. What is resistance? Resistance is the inherent property of the matter to oppose the flow of charges or to oppose the flow of the current. So that is the resistance. Now SI unit of resistance is ohm. Its SI unit is ohm, which is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol for ohm. Now if we want to give the definition of 1 ohm, then again what we will say, 1 volt upon 1 ampere is equal to 1 ohm. So how we will define 1 ohm? 1 ohm is when 1 ampere current is flowing through a conductor and the potential difference is 1 volt, then the resistance will be equal to 1 ohm. So this is the definition of 1 ohm. Now if we plot a graph between V and I, then this graph will be always in the form of a straight line, which shows that V is directly proportional to I, and this graph is known as the VI graph. This graph is the VI graph. This Ohm's law, this is an activity which we have to do in the lab. So when school will reopen, then we will do this activity in the lab also. Thank you everyone.